Hi everybody, it's 10:23 and 23 seconds. This is mini number 1. I'm probably going to do at least one more for the Swamp Thing books. Those books being House of Secrets number 92, graded 6.0, and the Bronze Age Swamp Thing number 1, the raw copy. Okay, so the way this is going to be run is over here on the left hand side are the 20 filled spots. Whoever comes in first place gets to pick 3 spots in the main. Whoever comes in second place gets to pick 2 spots in the main, and that is after the first place winner has picked their 3 spots. First place gets first choice. Alright, so here we go. Let's do our 3 dice. The number is 12, and away we go. Good luck. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and here's the final one. 12. Tim Soups gets to pick 3 spots, and then after that, Joshua Cornelison, I hope I pronounce Cornelison, gets to pick 2 spots. That is after Tim picks first, okay? Time is 10:24 and 47 seconds.